Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. This is Aisha Jamila Kalabangura. I'm the Shabi and Shaz Creations. And today we are talking about how to use the acne wash. So, the acne wash really is for deep pore cleansing. It draws out dirt. It's a really good cleanser. It's a deep pore charcoal facial cleanser for people with acne. It will help keep your acne in bay, draw out all the excess oil, balance your skin, and give you that cleansing feeling that you're looking for from a good cleanser. So we normally don't put it in the acne package because you have so many other products in it. But every so often, we'll throw it in as a freebie to you, so you don't get to pay for the. Let me make sure you can read that. Okay, can we? All right, good. So this is the Shaz Creation Acne, Organic Acne Facial Wash. It has salicylic acid in it. It really helps to get rid of the dirt. It really helps to clean your face, your neck, wherever you have acne. It helps draws out all the dirt, all the oil. It balances your skin and really gives you that cleansing feeling that you're looking for. So how will you go about using this? If you have the acne package, then you're going to incorporate this into your acne routine. So after you use your soap, whichever soap you're going to use for that day, because you know we rotate soap at Shaz Creation. So whichever soap you're going to do that day, after you wash your face with the first cleansing soap, you're going to come back and use the acne wash just around your face and the affected area. Why? Because you want to really cleanse the first one, then you want to use this one to really deep clean. Don't forget you can use this every day. It doesn't have to be used just one time. You like every 3 days or every 4 days. You can use this every day because we're really trying to go to the depth and core of your acne and try to see how we can help get rid of the acne formation, get rid of the dirt, get rid of the oil. Because I think when you get rid of the dirt, the surface dirt, the deep pore dirt, and you also get rid of all the oils, I really think it enhances your acne journey. Of course, I am an acne sufferer myself. I've always suffered from acne and pigmentation like I'm breaking out now. I try to show you my actual face so you don't think it's two different people that you see. I do break out. I don't wear makeup barely all the time. Once in a while you see me with lipstick on or eyeliner or very light makeup, and I'm gonna show you what I mean when I say light makeup. So I'm breaking out right now, as you can see over here. So you want to maintain your skin where, if I can find my brush, this is my brush. Now if I can find I need something to look into, right? I need a mirror or something so I'll be able to see what I'm doing. But you want to use you want to take care of your skin, and you want to use products that will clear up the scars and that you can go out with very little or very minimal, here we are, or very minimal makeup. So as you see my breakout here, I want you to know I didn't put nothing on my brush. This is just my regular dust powder brush, and I just want you to see how fast you can cover up. I didn't put nothing on this brush, so remember that. I did this on purpose, so I'll be able to show you that when your skin is being taken care of, oh, okay, when your skin, and I won't put nothing on the brush, you just want me find the brush, dig the brush out, and just use whatever excess is on the brush to make my face just look more like me. So in other words, you can cover up the little breakups you have with very little of very minimal powder. So I'm just using the same powder brush that I normally use, but I didn't dip into anything. It's just the excess that's on the brush that I'm using to bring my skin to where I need it. So in other words, if you take good care of your skin, if you do good skincare routine, I'm not saying you're not going to break out. I'm saying you're going to break out, but if you keep it under control, you don't need a lot of makeup to go out of your house. So that's just my brush. Whatever powder was on it is also, I just recycle on my face. So I'm putting it back on the package. But that's what I'm trying to explain to you, that you can do it with very minimal effect. So now back to the acne. So if you had the acne facial wash or the acne wash in your package, or you just got it with, maybe you talked to me and I figured, oh, we don't make them for sale because we just make them and we give them away. So we toss it in your acne package every so often if we have them. So when you get it, it'll look something like this. It's a charcoal acne facial deep pore cleanser. So all you do is you wet your skin when you're ready to use it, wet your skin, get a little bit on your hand, rub it in a circular motion on your face, and just try it. I tell people don't scrub. Really, you don't um, irritate or agitate your skin. So don't scrub with your hand, just circular motion, and you'll be able to leave it on for a few minutes if you can, and then wash it off. So that's how you will get to use the Acne wash. We normally throw it in packages. It don't come with your package, so don't call me and say that wasn't in my package. If we have them and you buy, we throw them automatically in your package. We haven't been able to make them to sell yet, because as you can see, I'm doing all the hand processing myself. My printer's on. I'm doing all my own printing. So these are ones that I really make here just to help you guys with the process when we have it. From the depth of my soul, I thank you for watching. I'm going to do a few series today, so it's going to be recording day all day and making products all day. So as I make them, I'm going to make a video for them. Thank you so much for watching. This is Aisha Javeda Kanabangram, the Shabby and Shaz Creations. Please don't forget to follow us through our social media sites and pages, and do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe, and also put the bell on, so when we upload, you'll be able to see some of the videos. Thank you all for watching. Peace. God bless. Assalamu alaikum.